If you go live on TikTok every day but still get no viewers and no orders, then you don't have a product problem. You have a live stream problem. In this video, I'll show you the real reason why most TikTok live streams fail and how seeding can completely change the results. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I work with sellers and marketers who want to grow faster using smart systems and automation. Today, we're focusing on one specific topic that many people misunderstand: seeding live stream TikTok. Let me ask you a simple question. Why does TikTok push some live streams to thousands of people, while others stay stuck at 10 or 20 viewers? The answer is not luck. And it's not just the product, it's engagement density. TikTok promotes live streams that look active, busy, and interesting. If your live stream is silent, with no comments and no interaction, TikTok assumes people are not interested. Even if you are talking nonstop, even if your product is good, the algorithm will slowly stop pushing your live. This is the harsh truth that many sellers don't want to accept. This is exactly where seeding comes in. Live stream seeding means creating planned and controlled interaction using multiple real-looking accounts. These accounts are not random, they are prepared in advance to look like normal users. They comment, ask questions, react, and guide the conversation in your live stream. The goal of seeding is not to fake popularity, the goal is to create social proof. When real viewers enter your live stream and see active comments, questions, and discussions, they feel more comfortable staying, they trust the live stream more, and they are more likely to buy. Now let's talk about what happens without seeding. You start your live stream, maybe 1 or 2 people enter, nobody comments, nobody asks questions. After a few minutes, TikTok sees no engagement and stops pushing your live. Your live stream slowly dies before it even has a chance. But with seeding, the situation is completely different. The moment you go live, your seed accounts enter early in the first 3 to 5 minutes. Comments start appearing, simple questions, greetings, and reactions make the live stream look alive. This triggers TikTok to keep pushing your live to more users. The first step in proper seeding is preparing your seed accounts. These accounts must look like real people. They need profile photos, basic bios, and normal activity history. They should watch videos, like posts, follow accounts, and comment naturally before ever joining a live stream. Never use brand new empty accounts to seed a live stream. That is risky and unnatural. TikTok can easily detect that behavior. Warmed up accounts always perform better and keep your live stream safe. The second step is timing. Seed accounts should enter the live stream early, ideally within the first few minutes. This is the most important time window for TikTok to decide whether to push your live further or not. At the beginning, comments should be simple and natural. Questions like where you ship from, whether there is a discount today, or how the product works. These comments open the conversation and give you, as the host, something to respond to. The third step is guiding buying behavior. Seed accounts should ask questions that real buyers would ask. For example, does this product work for daily use? How long does delivery take? Or is this suitable for beginners? These questions help remove doubts for real viewers watching the live stream. After that, trust-building comments are very important. Statements like "I bought this yesterday and it works great," or "the quality is better than I expected," can strongly influence new viewers. This kind of social proof reduces hesitation and increases conversion. Now here's the biggest mistake most sellers make. They try to do seeding manually, switching phones, logging into many accounts, typing comments one by one. This is slow, stressful, and very hard to scale. It also increases the risk of making mistakes. This is why automation becomes powerful when done correctly with the right system. You can manage multiple seed accounts from one dashboard. You can control commenting, viewing behavior, and timing in a way that still looks human and natural. Instead of handling 10 actions manually, automation allows hundreds of actions during one live stream. And when done properly, it does not look fake. This is exactly how big sellers dominate TikTok live streams consistently. If you want to apply this strategy seriously and scale your live stream results, check the link in the description. I share tools, setups, and full tutorials that walk you through the process step by step. If this video helped you understand live stream seeding better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.